healthy habits. We're going to be making ham and egg cups. Ham and egg cups can make for the perfect way to start your day. They're also simple and fast to make. For this meal, all the ingredients we need are 6 slices of ham, 6 eggs, a half cup of shredded cheese, and black pepper. Let's get started. First, let's grab a muffin pan and spray it with non-cooking spray. Then let's line the bottom of the tin with slices of ham. Now let's scramble some eggs for our cup. Now we're going to be mixing them up in a bowl. To make it easier, we already cooked them up. With our ham and eggs prepared, let's go ahead and combine them. Now let's sprinkle our cups with some cheese. Now we're going to hand these off to get baked for 10 to 12 minutes. Wow, they look great. Ham and cheese cups are a perfect on-the-go breakfast. Try them next time you're wanting a quick and filling meal.